In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up a wallet, buy Ethereum, and swap that Ethereum for Saitama. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the Chrome store or your Play Store or App Store and search in MetaMask right here. Add it to your browser, add the extension. Boom, boom, boom. Sweet. Welcome to MetaMask. So, to get started, just click the little fox. Boom, boom. Import, create a wallet. We're going to want to create a new wallet. I'm assuming you guys don't have a wallet. This is how you get a wallet. So click create a wallet. Sure. Create a password. Simple. Now we're going to have to secure our wallet. So what you're going to do here is get a piece of paper and a notebook and write down your 12 words. These 12 words will help you get back in, will be the only way to get back into your account if you ever get logged out or anything along them lines. This is how you get back into your account. Never share this with anybody. This is your money on the line right here. So go ahead, write those down. I'm just going to copy and paste them into here because it's going to ask me to confirm this. So boom. Go ahead and confirm it. So word number 1 was during. Ribbon. Smile. Boom. 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 Confirm that. Now save that piece of paper. Do not lose it. Keep it safe. Bam. Wada bang, wada boom. We have a wallet. So now we're going to have to add Saitama. So to add Saitama, just go to CoinMarketCap. Search Saitama. Boom, this first one. Go ahead and just copy the address or click the little fox. I'm just going to copy the address. Go into my little MetaMask thing, click add token, add a custom token, paste it, click enter, and these two will fill in automatically. Click next. Boom. Now you can see Ethereum and Saitama. So now what you're going to need to do is buy some Ethereum. So go ahead, click here, click buy, go through this whole process. Add your name or choose how much Ethereum you're going to want to buy. Boom, boom, boom. Get this all done. Get your Saitama or get your Ethereum, sorry. Once you have Ethereum, once you have purchased your Ethereum, it is as simple as hitting swap, choosing the amount of Ethereum, and swap it to Saitama. And if you're having issues, go ahead and just try changing the slippage tolerance to like 4.5%. Give that a shot. And yeah, that's one easy way to get Saitama. And this is all through MetaMask. Very simple. If you have any questions, go ahead and DM me, get a hold of me. I'll be able to help you. So thank you for watching.